Welcome to Yeeflow's Workflow tutorial series. In this video, we'll explore the start action in the Yeeflow Workflow Designer. The start action serves as the foundation of your workflow, acting as the trigger point specifically tailored for approval forms. The start action is automatically included when creating a new approval form. You'll find it right here on your canvas, as it's closely associated with the submission workflow. Each workflow can only have one start action, which cannot be removed or duplicated. Let's take a closer look at the settings and options available for the start action. The start action has a few essential settings to configure. The action name and description can be customized. The page is preset. Then, in the other settings, you can choose to enable the Allow Terminate option. Enabling this option allows the submitter to terminate the submitted form. If you click the Terminate button, the request and the related workflow will come to a permanent end, and the form cannot be edited or resubmitted. Next, there's the Allow Recall option. This gives the submitter the ability to recall the submitted form. The key difference here is that when a form is recalled, the workflow will end, but the submitter can make edits and resubmit it to restart the workflow from the very beginning. To control when Allow Terminate or Allow Recall is available, you can use the Condition Editor. This allows you to set specific conditions that must be met before these options can be used, adding a layer of control and flexibility to your workflow. Lastly, you can turn on email notifications when a submission form is submitted. By toggling on the Enable Email option, you can customize the email to meet your organization's needs. Yeeflow provides default subject, while you can change the setting per your needs. You can also choose where the email is sent from. By default, notifications are sent to the applicant and submitter, but you can add more recipients in the To or CC fields. Furthermore, you can attach files from approval form variables. The content of the email is provided by default, while it can be customized as well. The recipients will receive emails when there are any notifications. The start action is the cornerstone of your approval form workflows, offering control, flexibility, and notification options to streamline your workflows. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the Yeeflow Start Action. Stay tuned for more Yeeflow tutorials and workflow tips to make your business workflows more efficient.